Here everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a Bitcoin using Changelly app. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Changelly app on your mobile device and log into your account. On the bottom menu, tap the middle button where you will see the exchange widget. From there, tap on Buy. Now, in the USEN section, enter the amount you want to spend and select your currency. For example, USD. In the You Get section, select Bitcoin. You will instantly see how much BTC you will receive. After that, just select your payment method like Visa or MasterCard. Once everything looks good, tap on the green Next Step button. So you will need to enter your Bitcoin wallet address. Make sure you already have a wallet set up because this is where your Bitcoin will be sent. After that, just follow and review the instruction to complete the purchase. And that's it. After your payment goes through, your Bitcoin will be delivered directly to your wallet. So, thanks for watching and happy trading.